Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I clean my refrigerator before I get all of my stuff transferred over to it.
Settling in, settling down, falling in love, not falling out. I keep on falling in. Each of us both done in a crown, a crown, a crown, a crown. A king and a queen, royally bound. Yeah. Both called it from the beginning. Called it. We knew that there had to be us. Knew that there had to be us. We do what we gotta do to stay winning, winning. The fuss and the fights will keep them trust. And you make me wanna say, I love you better today than yesterday. Every day is gonna play out the same, the same, the same, the same. Hey, I love you better today than yesterday. Every day is gonna play out the same. It's gonna play out the same. Growing as one, not growing apart. Apart. Say what we mean, say it from the heart. From the heart. Wrinkles and grays, don't be alarmed, because you're safe with me. The beautiful signs of our story so far, so far. Both called it from the beginning. We called it, we called it. We knew that there had to be us. We knew that there had to be us. What we gotta do to stay winning, winning. Fights and fights will keep trust. And you make me wanna say, I love you better today than yesterday. And every day is gonna play out the same, the same, the same. Gonna play out the same. I love you better today than yesterday. And every day is gonna play out the same. It's gonna play out the same. La da 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 da.
Alright, so now I got the refrigerator all clean and put back together. And now I have to empty out my other refrigerator and get everything put in this one. I had a lot of double groceries because I hadn't done my meal prepping yet. So it was really difficult for me to try to stuff everything in here. And I hadn't cleaned my other refrigerator yet and split everything up. So that's what I'm going to be showing you here in a minute. And then you'll hear my crazy family in the background while I'm trying to get this done. Hope you guys enjoy the video.
Look at it, look at it, look at it, look at it. Somebody look at it. Look at it. She on the
It's just that my orange juice too big. Orange juice.
No.
Let's check it down.
I'll show her it's too big for you. There's a lot of that time. Oh, it's too big for my refrigerator.
He did problem.
We've run into a predicament.
And I got this. So I don't really need, you know what I'm saying? I don't need it to be in here with the humidity control because it's already in the humidity control environment.
So you bought some for one refrigerator. You bought another refrigerator that had that built into it.
Right.
So you technically didn't need what you just bought.
Yeah.
Everybody said that. You said it. I ain't said that. We'll open that little jug and we still here a little bit.
I got five.
She don't know about that joke.
What you say?
Close that.
You ain't gonna say nothing else about that jelly. Now that you know who opened
So your dad don't be here all day, so he can get cussed out. And he can't be trying to judge me. Don't y'all. Don't y'all start acting either, because y'all daddies, I know how y'all be.
So. Yeah, so. Like,
So I didn't say you didn't.
Like,
You don't. He's
it's like sometimes. Like, it's
So.
not as bad as you did. It's like,
So. Like 75, 25.
She said she easy.
Well, we got so much of the same stuff. Then when we was in that store, I told you you ain't need no creamer.
Who go shop?
I don't know, both of us, and then when we was standing at the thing, and
Both of them food?
door.
this one ain't.
Alright then.
You ain't drinking no coffee.
Man, what you want me to do for myself? Drink coffee at 4 in the
I
morning?
want you to not buy nothing.
Dang. Jesus Christ. But then if I use something, I ain't got enough then what?
Oh, we're gonna have to cut all of this audio.
Oh, you recording?
Yes.
I don't care nothing about that. I'm a real ass nigga. Give fuck about it.
Yeah, just that, you
I paid for this shit.
I just don't understand what they thought I was supposed to put down. Okay, maybe this.
Just
What's
no.
in the door right here on this side, baby?
This? This?
You just
The
explained.
juice?
You said
Ketchup? Sauces? Salsa? Mayo? Up?
Oh, so you can't put the creamer over there?
I don't think the refrigerator is.
Alright.
Oh, don't tell me you want everything in a certain order.
Yeah. You just met me today, or?
No, she
You
ain't
must
been
be
here.
new.
What you mean?
My whole life.
I've been a young for long. Man, don't be trying it today.
I got it.
Wow.
I've been young for like 11.
You sleeping, huh, babe?
What up?
You sleeping, huh?
What up, over there?
Cause you keep trying it today.
What, this gonna knock me to sleep?
No, I'm just saying you need a nap.
So what, am I daddy now?
You said it, not me. Jerome Jr. Junior.
I should have been. What name that kid, Benjamin?
That is funny. Why you doing it that way? Huh?
I said I would have took Bernard.
Yeah, but I ain't ready. Benjamin ain't bad either.
Because I'm cool as shit.
You definitely didn't want to give it to the hot kids.
Hell no, I wasn't on that.
Okay,
Carl,
you
you
don't-
want your name to be Benjamin?
Not really.
I was like, you don't want no
Benjamin
junior?
Junior, yeah, they been calling you Benji and shit.
We gonna take these out the box. I don't know, we're gonna put in here too. And this will go in here too, huh?
Somebody got the water out there refrigerator yet?
Yeah, it's in my cup, okay? That's the water in my cup right now.
Last night.
And then when you got it to move the thing, you got to know. I said, he didn't even see that they put this.
I really thought I was going to be out by the time you got there.
I said, he said he was going to come help you. I called his name 5 times, he ain't showed up.
That's my coworker laughing at your ass.
Cold drinks. Alright, so we can shut this.
Pretty light.
And then we make this the cold drinks. I'm telling y'all. Are you in the rest of the ones out there? I think there's some little baby ones in there. And then you can close the damn thing. That's it, ain't it?
No.
Huh?
Lettuce.
Oh, that's old. I just gotta get a picture of it and then we can.
It was literally.
Oh, you so smart, acting important.
It was like almost 2 hours worth of videos.
I can take you to the water, but I can't make you drink.
Hey, back can you hold it for me? I know you hold it. I'm gonna put it in there. Let go. Stop. Channel acting like that. This is like we watching the thing last night. That dude, she was in there trying to wash dishes. He come in there and stop, hey.
No, she came in there with a tongue and finished her
I
butt.
said that's something your dad would do right there. Deal with the thing. I can remove that. Can't believe y'all just fit there. You wouldn't let me get the coat rack thing that I wanted.
He said she just turned off my phone.
Can I get that coat rack thing?
Huh? Want me to unplug it?
You like it, babe? Oh, that ain't the noise.
That's
What was the noise?
Was the angel
I
noise?
lost something.
la la
I
la la.
didn't do it right. That's my thing.
Feed, feed,
Make you want to eat something. He ain't eat no junk in here. Look at that. It ain't even really no junk in there.
I ain't buying nothing there.
When I'm flying, the descent is still my favorite part. Easy to end and hard for me to start. You don't wanna feel that part of me that's cold and numb with apathy. Cause when I feel that way, I can't help nobody. Nobody, I can't trust nobody. Nobody, I can't trust nobody. No, no, nobody, I can't trust nobody. No, 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 not even myself. Needed you to be mindful of me. Needed you to be mindful. Stretch out my hand to you and take down your blindfold. Imagine that I reach out to you, but I'm young and still prideful. Needed you to be mindful of me. Needed you to be mindful. Where the fuck does your mind go? Where the fuck did the time go? Small talk kept the lights so cut to the chase, get out my face. Needed you to be mindful of me. Needed you to be mindful. Stretch out my hand to you and take down your blindfold. Imagine that I reach out to you, but I'm young and still prideful. Needed you to be mindful of me. Needed you to be mindful. Where the fuck does your mind go? Where the fuck did the time go? Small talk kept the lights so cut to the chase, get out my face. Look in the mirror, look at your face. See that it's destiny, see that it's fate. Wash off the mess of me from yesterday. Hit the sativa, caffeine in the play. Asking superheroes stand beside when I'm feeling down, down, down. But I'm optimistic that I can turn it all around, round, round.
I hope you guys enjoyed that. I hope y'all laughed as much as I laughed when I was editing this video. I started to edit it out and just put music over it, but it was too funny not to keep in there. And we definitely started our YouTube channel to be ourselves and show you guys how we live and how we have fun. And my husband been together for a long time, and if you know us, then that is us all day long. And the kids do get a good chuckle out of their daddy acting how he does. So I definitely tried to stuff everything in the refrigerator as much as I could, even though I had a lot of double groceries. I ended up cleaning the other refrigerator and separating everything out. I'll show you that in the next video. And thank you so much for all your support. And we hope you guys subscribe and leave us a comment. And let us know if you like this video and what other videos you want us to give you next.
Needed you to be my boy. Where the fuck does your mind go? Where the fuck did the time go? Small talk kept the lights